Hi all, welcome to the 10th session of Python for Machine Learning. In the previous session, we have used timestamp as the index and grouped by the column based on it. In this session, I'll show you how to convert the timestamp column into different columns like year, month, day, weekday, hour, minute, seconds, and microsecond. This will be important especially during the time series analysis, and also it will play a big role in different kind of machine learning, specifically where timestamp is important. So let's start. We have already imported the two important libraries, which is Pandas and NumPy. Now we'll create our own timestamp data, timestamp value. So pd dot date range, and here suppose we will give the same range 0101 slash 2017, and the periods is equals to 2 lakh, comma, frequency equals to, here we'll give the frequency 15 seconds. Okay, we have not executed, we'll execute all the three lines. Okay, now if we give, so we, our data set is timestamp values created. Now we'll create our own df. Now what is the type of timestamp what we have created just now? It is an pandas. Now if we want to, like, we'll create a data set df, and that will give date time is equals to df dot this date time, which it should be the same what we are mentioning here, date time dot. So first of all, what we'll do, df dot date time is equals to timestamp underscore value. And before this, we will create our data frame. Df is equals to pd.DataFrame. So our df is created, which is empty now. Now once we execute this line, so our df dataset is created with only one column, which is a timestamp df.head. Okay, we can see that whatever rows are there, it is being captured at the interval of 15 seconds based on the seconds. And also if we give df.tail, now if you want to add a column called year, which will be extracted from the same timestamp, so how do we achieve that? So we'll give year equals to df dot date time dot dt dot year. So if we give df dot head now, the year column is added. Now if we want to add the month column, so if we now execute df dot head, it is so month column is also added. Now suppose if we want to add the day of the month, so in this case we'll give day here. Now if we execute df.head, so day of the month is all also added. Suppose what if we want to add the weekday name, so just we'll give weekday name is equals to df.date. This date time is the column name which we have first assigned here. So this is the same datetime dot dt dot weekday name. So this weekday column with the weekday name is also added. df.head will give you, we can say now if we want to add a r for each column, r column, okay, then we'll give, so if we give df.head, so you can see r is also, r column is also added. If you want to add the seconds and micro minute, seconds and microsecond, how do we achieve that? Hours, then minutes, minute is also added. If you want to add second, we'll follow the same approach. So second column is also added. You can see. If you want to add even the microsecond, so that is also possible. Just give here CRO microsecond. So if we give df here, df.head, okay, if we give df.tail, so you can see the hours is also coming. If we give df.head 15, so you can say the hours and also the all the details coming perfectly. So this is how we can segregate, or we can divide a day timestamp into different columns such as year, month, day, weekday name, hour, minute, second, and microsecond, which plays a huge role in the analysis of machine learning analysis when we are doing through machine learning. So thanks a lot for uh, viewing this session. If you like this video, please press the like button and do subscribe for this video. Thanks a lot.